collection. You see how many we're gonna unbox, you guys? Keep on watching. And my friend Candy here is ready to join. Guys, go check out the video where I unboxed Candy. Candy came with a lot of surprises. You don't want to miss it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start from the front. Let's start unboxing. It's time to shine! This is the Rainbocorns Itzy Glitzy surprise. Pop and swap gem hearts. Guys, are we gonna be able to find the rare Itzy Glitzy? Keep on watching! Look at all these we're gonna collect! Here's my first one, you guys. Right guys, time to unbox it. Guys, look at all these accessories it comes with her. Because there's little holes that you can put. Look how cute it is. Guys, you can store your accessories in here and your Rainbow Glitzy so you won't lose it. And this one's for me, you guys. I'm gonna put it on. Check it out, guys. Super cute. Guys, this is our first one. Here's our second one. Who is it gonna be? We got Ellie the elephant. Oh my god, I got a cute monkey. Guys, look how much accessories she's got. I think this ring is for me. Let me put it on. And this bow. Guys, the heart that comes over here comes on the ring. Guys, look how cute she looks. Guys, I got Topaz. And it came with another bow too. Next box, you guys. Another Ellie. We've got Kitty Cat. We have Jemmy again. Guys, I got Gemma. Okay, guys. she has her little bow and wings and a ring. Guys, you can put the wings on the ring. And her cute little bow. And another matching hair clip for me. Guys, we found Ziggy! Guys, she kind of looks like a beaver. And a pencil topper. You guys can mix and match. Look guys, I'm loving my hair clips. Next one. Guys, I got Ellie again. They can be twins. Look at my collection, you guys. Number 3. Guys, I got Pea Pippi. We got Ellie again. Be careful, kids, while grabbing scissors. I got a unicorn. Since I got 4 Ellies, I'm going to share them with my friends. Sharing is caring, you guys.